Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos. Wanted to go over a product that we're just about to release. This is an accessory power harness for Beta 4 Strokes 2020 Plus. Very simple. You have your ground wire that's going to go to that ground bolt on the frame beneath your tank. You will need to remove your tank, which is a bolt on each side of the radiators, the main bolt on the top, obviously your seat, which is push button. Unplug your low level fuel sensor, your fuel pump, and the quick disconnect for your fuel line. You're going to route this wire up along the main loom and then out here. And then this is your running light circuit. So this circuit always has power when the bike is running, even if you're in high or low. It's the running light bulb on the bottom. So a lot of guys put aftermarket headlights on these. This will just be sitting there open. You can just plug this in and leave this other side taped off or whatever you need. It's got a protection or protected boot over it, so you don't have to worry about it too much. And that's going to be your power. This is for a low draw device like a USB charger if you want to plug in your phone, or GPS for mapping while you're on the bike. Just a very simple, easy way to get accessory power on these Beta 4 Strokes. DC power on these bikes, so you're good to go. Just wanted to show you guys the harness and how to install it. Thanks for checking it out.